Hey friends, we can create amazing websites using WordPress. And in this video, we are going to create a website for a recruitment agency or human resource service provider. This website is going to be very modern, to the point, and very professional, of course. The theme that we have selected for creating this website is Career, and this is a dedicated theme for human resources and recruitment agency, and it comes with full site editing options. So FSE WordPress theme, you will say. So you can create a dream website using with this theme because it gives the immense options to customize your website. Okay. So this is the pre-made website that we can target with the theme. It has the internal pages, the job listing options, the job details options, and all that you need for a recruitment agency website. And the internal pages is also provided well here. Okay, so Career as a dedicated WordPress theme for human resource service provider, and you can create this website with an ease without having any specific technical knowledge. This is really wonderful. The Career WordPress theme has been developed by Jag Theme, and they are Power Elite author at Envato Market, that is on themeforest.net, and theme is surprisingly available just for $19. It is mainly because this is a new theme. It came into existence 2 days back, and I'm happy to record this video. I'm covering this theme overview on this channel, and on this channel you can compare hundreds of themes and plugins for any type of business website, the profile website, and all that you need to have at WordPress. Okay, so this is modern theme crafted for hiring company and recruitment hub, powered by advanced WordPress full site editing option. Okay, let us see all its feature. Don't skip any part of this video because you are choosing a theme that is really very important to make a successful website. Okay, so I am sure you are aware about the iGrade program as well. If you have any question, you can simply start a chat with a mentor here, and you can ask any question related to WordPress website. And for creating a website like this, you need three things. First, the domain name. I'm sure you have already booked a domain name. Hosting, WordPress optimized hosting, and the theme pack itself. So all you can avail through WP Themes website. Just follow the video description link. You can get all things there that you need for your website. And let us start creating our dream website for human resources, services, or agency, or recruitment agency. First of all, I'll show you the theme pack. What I have received in the theme pack. This is the initial level theme file, which is showing 3.6 MB in size. This is indication of a well optimized WordPress theme. The child theme is also included. So this is the theme pack with me. First option, I mean the documentation link is here. So we can proceed for installation first of all. This is core and fresh installation of WordPress, and the website is looking like this with the default 2025 WordPress theme. So of course we are going to add new theme here. For adding new theme, we can simply open the appearance section and the theme options, where we can add new theme, upload theme, and we need to choose the installable theme file here. That is career.zip. So I'm pronouncing it career. So you can say career or similar things. So click on install now, and it is going to be super easy. It may take a while depending upon your host speed, but yes, it is always recommended to use WordPress optimized hosting plans that you can avail at WP Themes website. Okay, so theme got installed successfully within seconds. We can go to the theme page, and here is the career along with the default theme. This is very first version. When you will order the theme, might be on later dates. You shall be getting an updated version always at themeforest.net through the video description link. It is important to follow the video description link because you're going to get a free entry and all the support through the WordPress mentors, WordPress experts here at iCreate program. Just onboard on the system or start direct chat here. So follow the video description link. It is really going to be very helpful for making a successful and performing website for you. Okay. So now the theme is installed. We can simply activate the theme here. And we have next steps like plugin requirements, install required plugins. Screen is here. This is a setup wizard like theme. To access the full range of theme features, please install and activate the required plugin. And your enhanced user experience is just a few steps away. Okay, so I can see Gutenverse and Gutenverse form and Gutenverse companion is here. So we can simply install the required plugins simply by clicking on this link. So this is showing the progress bar as well, installing plugins, and it is very interactive screen I can see here. So it may take again a while because it is installing the plugin, activating as well, I believe. So Gutenberg is a Gutenberg blog and website builder for site editor, template library, pop-up builder, advanced animation effects, and 45 plus user-friendly blog. So this is a full site editing WordPress theme. This is why it is using the Gutenberg and Gutenberg form as a. So the plugins has been installed and activated. At the next step, we can move for choosing the demo layout that we need. Okay, so one by one, we can choose what we uh, want to import. We have all the options, or we can uh, go for all pages import in a single click. So for a fresh installation, this option holds good. So I'm going to click on this import all pages, and the full import is here, and we can simply click on start import. So it is importing the pages for the website. For that, we can edit or customize the page layouts and the content, of course. So it is again going to take a while because it is importing the design styles and the page contents, and you have to show your due patience on this screen without disturbing the process. Like one home page is completed, and for the next pages are being imported. Total 10 pages are in line, and we can expect all well here. So you might be thinking, what is FSE? So it is a new term, in fact, full site editing. So I'll show you a reference article. This is the reference article. What is full site editing FSE in WordPress? And the latest release of WordPress is here, and it brings us loads of new feature. Okay. First thing first, what is full site editing? You might have noticed that the term buzzing around in the WordPress community, but what is full site editing? To break it down for you. Full site editing is a collective term for several new WordPress features. This gives us template editing, where you can customize and design posts and pages. The site editing for changing the designs of your blog, archives, 404, as well as and the header and footer. A new style interface where you can add your own color palettes and change colors, typography, and spacing. A new kind of theme. This is fully editable, build with blocks. So this is the beauty of the theme that we are using here. Career is a FSE WordPress theme, and it is very unique feature that you can avail at this theme. So it is, of course, has been developed by a Power Elite author. You are going to get all the features, and on this screen I can wait. In install demo completed, all demos successfully imported. How easy it was, really. I'm going to close this, and at next step, um, I have the upgrade your site. Let us see how we can do this. Okay, upgrade to Pro and unlock the limitless possibility. Okay, so we can simply go for next. Congratulations, all set. This theme is built with Gutenberg, a powerful and lightweight Gutenberg blocks and page builder plugin for the WordPress site editor. Go to the dashboard. Great. So we are going to finalize this thing and visit dashboard. And at the dashboard, we have separated Gutenberg form and main plugin speed up offer. Okay, you are using form before install. Okay, that is good. So we can simply complete the setup or Guten icon and font also install and activate. Okay, so it is going to be helpful. So this is why I'm completing this installation as well. and we can come back to the dashboard again after installing this. Okay, great. So Gutenberg is here, and we can even go to upgrade to the pro version just in case if it is needed to you. But yes, we can check our new website here, of how it looks. Yes, this is amazing. And we got this complete website in no time, without any hassle, without any trouble. It is here, and it is really an amazing thing that you can have with this theme. All the features, all the elements are well available here, and we can simply proceed for customizing and editing the content of this website. This is going to be super easy, super fast, and the website loading speed you can see here, so it is really very fast. So undoubtedly it is a full featured human resource or recruitment agency WordPress theme. Yes, no doubt it is working fine. So we can conclude, we can go with this theme, and this can be a choice of first choice of your theme. However, you have multiple options on this channel itself. In this particular category, like for recruitment agency, at least you can have 5-6 themes to compare on this channel. So not miss those videos as well. But yes, this is recommended theme for a recruitment agency or human resources service agency website. Okay. So this is not a promotional video. I must tell you one thing. So you have all the options on this channel itself. You can compare the things, choose the very suitable one for your website project. Career is one of the great options. So since it is a new theme having FSE model, so you can have this for future aspects, and you will definitely get updates as well. So the theme is available just for $19. So it is a great opportunity to have this theme at a very low price, because we are going to get future updates, 6 month supports from the theme developer itself at Invato Market. Okay, so we completed our installation. Now I'm taking you to the back to the dashboard, and uh, I'll come back to the dashboard to show you the rest of the things what we have received in this installation. It is going to be super simple, because we are using Gutenberg. So I can see the Gutenberg dashboard, and where you can explore new things as well, like ecosystem, the blocks. You can explore if you want to enable and disable the things like uh, flexible wrapper or the form builder. You can enable or disable the things that you want to use or don't want to use at your website. Okay. Further, the settings are here in case if you need to have settings, template, or the font icon, the custom font, and all. Uh, the system and status you can check here, and the all green marks should be here. So, like I'm using Apache server, the PHP version is 8.2.25 that I am using. You can also go for the same. So, I'm generally installing the themes and overviewing the themes on the latest versions of WordPress and the WordPress core and the WordPress optimized server as well. Okay, so this is all about the Gutenberg. I mean, what is available here. And further, we have the form actions like Gutenberg forms is here for creating the forms at your website, and the form action can be seen here. And since it is a blog based editor website, you can simply edit the contents directly here on the pages. All pages are here. I'll show you how many pages. So 10 pages we have already imported, and the front page can be edited using the blog editor itself. So you don't need any page builder for this. It is going to be super easy, super simple, and you don't need Elementor WP Bakery. So it is a theme with blog editor options. So it is made with the blog editor. This is why it is going to be super fast, and you have all the options for editing the content. Like you can explore all these options, and you can start editing the content of your website. 10 pages has been provided in the demo, and I think these are enough features that you can have at your website. Nothing additional is here, and even you don't need any additional things. I'll show you the career dashboard as well, where you can go for the dashboard, the demo parts, and all. So this is again install demo and documentation. This is same screen, I believe. Okay, so it is very simple and easy to handle website, and you are going to complete your website within a day if you have ready content. So it is super easy, super professional, and the website is really very cool and to the point. So I believe this video remained helpful in understanding the features and the installation process, the basic customization options of Career WordPress theme. And if you have further question, you can write in the comment section. And it is a good idea to follow the video description link and join the iTrade program, where you can ask unlimited question for free with a mentor. You can complete your website with the help of mentor, and all is for you. So why you are waiting for? Just start creating your website, and in the next video I'm coming with more resources for you. Start creating, keep building, keep watching. Thank you.